Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your Texas LLC online. First, ensure you have chosen a unique business name that complies with state regulations. You will also need to designate a registered agent with a physical street address in Texas. This agent will receive important legal and tax documents on behalf of your company. Having all your details ready beforehand will streamline the entire process, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete online. Before you begin, confirm your chosen business name is available through the Texas Secretary of State's website. Next, you must appoint a registered agent. This can be an individual or a business entity authorized to transact business in Texas. This agent's address will be the official point of contact for your LLC. You will also need to decide if your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed, which affects how decisions are made. To start, visit the Texas Secretary of State's SOS Direct online portal. You will then select the option to file a new certificate of formation for a limited liability company. Carefully fill in all required fields, including your LLC's name, registered agent information, and management structure. Double-check for any errors before proceeding. The filing fee is $300, payable by credit card or electronic check, ensuring a swift submission. Once your certificate of formation is filed and approved, your LLC is officially formed. Your next crucial step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS, which is essential for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Additionally, create an operating agreement. This vital document defines ownership, responsibilities, and profit distribution among members. Remember to maintain good standing by adhering to all state and federal regulations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.